Hi everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome to my channel. So I've been working on my home cafe for a little while now. I have a little tea and coffee corner in the kitchen and I'm always looking for ways to improve making drinks at home, whether that be lattes, iced coffee, matcha. And one thing that I've been looking for is a milk frother. There are handheld milk frothers or whisks on the market, but I was looking for something that could heat up my milk while frothing it at the same time, so I could knock out two birds with one stone. So I was super excited when Maestri House reached out to me to send me one of their milk frothers. This little device has been an integral part of my home cafe and has been making my lattes that much better. This right here is the detachable milk frother in Moonlight White. I chose the detachable milk frother since it's a lot more convenient when it comes to cleaning. It's always a plus if I can minimize the dishes that I need to wash. So basically you can take this off and all you have to wash is the milk jug, the lid, and the whisking set parts inside. Made of durable 304 stainless steel, the Maestri House milk jug is absolutely BPA free and dishwasher safe. The Maestri House milk frother is the first of its kind that allows you to adjust the temperature and the thickness of the milk foam so that you can make all kinds of different drinks. So there is a low froth, medium froth, and high froth setting. So if you wanted to make a latte, you would use the low froth setting. If you wanted to make a cappuccino, you could use the medium froth setting, and so on and so forth. There are also various temperature settings. So you can set it to original temperature, which doesn't change the temperature of the milk. You can set it to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The milk frother comes with a user manual, detachable milk jug and lid, and the stand, as well as a sponge brush and a whisk set. You use the whisk disc to make flat whites and lattes. You can add the spring to make cappuccinos, and you can also add the cover to make hot chocolate. Now let's peel off the plastic on the front because it's so satisfying. They recommend to use fresh refrigerated whole milk. The more fat, the better. You can achieve a richer foam if the milk has a higher concentration of protein. So they recommend to use dairy milk, but if you do have to use non-dairy milk, soy milk is the best option. And then down the line, it's almond, coconut, rice, cashew, and oat milk. If you don't want to heat up your milk, you can set it to ordinary temperature, which doesn't affect the temperature of the refrigerated milk, and this creates cold foam. I was in the mood for a matcha latte, so while my milk is being heated up and frothed, I'm going to whisk the matcha powder in a bowl. If you're super low on time or lazy, you could add the matcha powder into the milk frother. You might still end up with a lot of matcha powder since you won't get every last bit, but a way that you can make it smoother is if you sift the matcha powder into the milk and remove any clumps first. After the matcha powder has been whisked and the milk has been frothed, I'll mix the milk with the matcha and place the milk foam on top. And here I'm doing the same thing with a cup of coffee. Look at how airy and bouncy the milk foam is, and now they're ready to be served. There's also a memory function that takes a record of your previous temperatures and frother settings. And for your safety, the frother is designed to prevent overheating, so once the operating temperature exceeds the control range, the overheating protection will be activated and automatically shut down its operation. I really like how multifunctional this is, so it's able to heat up your milk while frothing it at the same time. If you were to use a handheld whisk, you would have to heat up the milk beforehand, whether that's in the microwave or on the stove, which is an extra step and takes more time. I also really enjoy all the options, being able to choose the thickness of the milk foam for various drinks, so you can really play around and test what kind of drinks you want to make at home. And I also really like the look of it on the kitchen counter. It looks very modern and sleek. I obviously chose the white color to fit my aesthetic, and at full capacity you're able to make 6 cups at one time, so if you're serving family or friends, that'll be super easy. Overall, this is a great addition to add to your kitchen or home cafe. If you love tea or coffee and making drinks at home, who loves milk foam, loves your lattes, want something super quick, hassle-free in the mornings, the Maestri House milk frother will be your best friend. It's definitely made me more inspired to try out new drinks, and it would also be such a great gift for any friends who are coffee lovers. If you are interested in getting your own from milk frother, I do have a discount code. I will put it up on the screen and in the description box down below. Maestri House currently has a 20% off Black Friday sale until November 28th, so definitely take advantage of these deals for early Christmas shopping or birthdays. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you guys are enjoying these coffee videos. They're one of my favorites to watch on YouTube and also to film. Thank you Maestri House for collaborating with me on this video, and let's continue on with the vlog. Hi everyone, I'm here with Jasmine and Julian.
Hello.
Making a quick stop at Paris Baguette. So we decided to get pastries. This is the king cream donut. This is the tiramisu tart, and this is the matcha croissant. We should dig in before we're not hungry for brunch.
Hey, no, I do the same intro.
Hey guys.
I clap and I say, hey guys.
It's your brand.
Yeah, it is my brand. It is my brand.
So you have to continue it.
Yeah, okay. Can you grab one card? Any card you like? Okay. Show it to everyone. Okay, put it right back here. Remember your card? Yeah. And it's not on top, right? No. No? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna riffle the cards like this. Once I riffle, your card now it goes on top.
Yeah, that's my
So give me your hand, please. So your card, I'm gonna place it right here. Here, put your hand on top, sand it's your card. It's the 9 of diamonds, that's my card. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my card, tap it in your hand, so I can switch to your card. And now my card goes to your hand, right there.
No way!
Oh my god, oh my god. Thank you guys, thank you. Appreciate it, and there's your abilities right there.
Thank you.
Magically here.
I'm trying to call the Disney Airs at 4.
At 4 right now.
And it's only limited amounts.
Hey guys, so we are in Japantown and we're lost.
We're lost. The bakery we wanted to go to ran out of everything.
So we're waiting for Amanda and we're
Who
gonna
lives
try to
here?
find
Yeah.
a tea shop.
Yes. We decided to take a break.
Change of plans. We are karaoke. Here are cheese.